Yo, what is up, guys? Serg exclusive here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys what is the best 5 side hustles where you guys could get started today. So before we start this video, you could hit that notification bell. If you guys have not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. And also, if you guys have any questions, feel free to go down below. And if you guys want me to do any of these side hustles and put it on camera, just tell me. Just comment down below which ones should I do and which one should I, which one should I take for a test drive, and I put it on video and I posted it so you guys could see that it actually works and stuff like that. So a lot of people are doing these side hustles, and I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys, the average income stream where people actually make money with these side hustles. Okay. So yeah, guys, let's get started with this video. So the first one I'm gonna talk about is Uber and Lyft. I think Uber and Lyft been here since 2012, I believe. I'm not too sure, but I put it up here just to make sure when it got started. But even though it is 2021, a lot of people like using Uber and Lyft. Even with UberEats, but I'm gonna get into that in a little bit. But Uber and Lyft, you guys could actually start doing that good, and you guys could actually start making extra money. If you have like an hour a day, 2 hours a day on extra time, if you guys want, just start going there and start putting in the work. But yeah, that's one of the best. I'll put the average income right above my head if you guys could see it. But yeah, it's pretty. A lot of people do it. I do it sometimes. Not all the time. I'm only when I need extra money, I actually still do it. To start my other side hustle, what I actually do online. But I'm gonna get into that, further down the road. But the second one is, UberEats or Postmates. That's pretty. A lot of people don't like going out, especially right now when this whole pandemic is going on. A lot of people could actually make good money with UberEats and Postmates, especially when they just combine each other. They're collaborating with each other and stuff like that. But yeah, sorry guys if you guys hear that. I have the AC on, the window, the thing is blowing out. But yeah, guys, yeah, a lot of people don't like going out. A lot of people don't want to stay in and just order their food. Sometimes I'm one of those people, and yes, and I do UberEats as well. And also, it's pretty good extra income if you guys are just trying to get some money to get started with your other side hustles or your actual online business. Whatever you guys want to do with these side hustles, get extra money just to go on a vacation, or you need extra money to pay off some bills. These are pretty good side hustles where you guys can actually make a lot of extra money. Especially right now with UberEats, I do it, and sometimes I get around like 120 for like 6 trips. Because they're tipping, and right now there's shortage of drivers, and then all this nonsense is going on because of the pandemic. So you guys can actually make a lot of money right now. The third one is, I'm gonna go more into the online space, is freelancing. You guys could do freelancing with Fiverr, Upwork, whatever you guys are interested. Even if you already have a 9 to 5 doing construction work or plumbing, you could actually put it on Fiverr and post it. Post it like, oh, I could send you a video how you guys could do this, or how you gotta send me this and that, and just show them your work of what you already done. Even if whatever, you guys could actually just post a video and show them a video of how they could do it simply, and just charge like 5, 10, 20 bucks to do that. And it's online, and people are gonna start. There's no excuses to make a freelance, a side hustle, especially if you already know the knowledge to do that. You could do logos, you could do construction, whatever. Just like, some people want to build something, but they want to know what specific thing they need. You could easily give them a free video of how they could get started and how they could set it up, and you know, pretty easy. You know, it doesn't matter. I got this from another person I seen on a TikTok video, or I think Instagram. I'm not too sure, but he was talking about freelancing and all that stuff, and it's pretty. It opened my mind up on multiple things to do with freelancing. You know, you can post it on. Most of the people want to do it with Fiverr, so I suggest you guys do that with Fiverr if you guys are going through that route. You know, because a lot of people know Fiverr instead of Upwork as much, but yeah, just do it through Fiverr. But yeah, the fourth one is dropshipping. A lot of people don't know about this. Well, a lot of people do know about this side hustle. Is, you know, dropshipping is, you know, you could start your own e-commerce stores. That's basically just, if you guys don't know what dropshipping is, it's basically just getting products from another country like China, and delivering it to somebody else from the United States or somewhere around the world. You know, just basically pretty easy. You could use dropshipping websites like eBay, Amazon. You could use that, but you know, they charge. But eBay is free, and also you guys could actually use Shopify. Shopify, you do have to pay a monthly fee, but I think it's about $249 a month. I'm not too sure, but I'll leave it right here if you guys want to know. But yeah, then I'm gonna go to. Then that's how you guys could easily do it. Just basically just start promoting those products and start doing drop shipping just with, you know, eBay. You don't really have to do promotions with eBay. You could easily do it with you know, use their customers that you're using their websites. Amazon as well, they do charge though to use their things, just like a few cents every time you make a sale and shit, like, and stuff like that. And also Shopify, that's where you do have to do the promotions and stuff like that. And it's not hard. A lot of people could actually make a lot of money, and I'll post it. I'm gonna post everything right here. Just look at the average of people that are making money with drop shipping. Okay, the fifth one is one of the best ones, I think, that you can knock off easy and you can make a lot of money. You don't even have to put that much work into it. And it's called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best side hustles out there. A lot of people make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. You know, if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, basically it's promoting other people's products and services to other people, and then after they click through your link and purchase something, you get a commission out of it. You know, a lot of people do make a lot of money with this. One of them, you know, Amazon has a affiliate marketing program. Walmart, Best Buy, you know, basically most of the big brands, most of the big companies have an affiliate marketing program. So if you guys want to get into it, you know, it's pretty easy to start promoting them. And the best thing about affiliate marketing, you could start with $0. You know, $0, and that's all it takes. You could just have a YouTube channel. You don't even have to show your face if you do the YouTube, or even if you like to write, you know, just do blogs and start. You know, it will take a little bit of time if you go through the blog route, because you know, you got to start with the SEO and all that stuff. But it's still one of the best ways you guys can start with the side hustle today, because you can start with $0. You know, all you gotta look in on YouTube how to start affiliate marketing, and I actually have a YouTube video. I'll leave it right here if you guys want to get into it. But yeah, you know, pretty easy and stuff like that. You know, affiliate marketing is pretty good. If you guys want to start off with a good side hustle, I suggest to start off with affiliate marketing. Sorry guys, my camera died. If you guys do want to start affiliate marketing, the link is down below to get you guys started. A 3-day challenge. You know, it's pretty easy. And yeah, you guys could easily start with affiliate marketing and stuff like that. You know, you can start in off today, and like I said, you can start off with $0 into your name, and you guys can start promoting it. You know, you can use YouTube, you can use a blog, you can use podcasts, you know, whatever you guys need to start promoting that product. You know, but yeah, guys, this ends up today's video. Hopefully you guys get a lot of knowledge of this video. If you guys want to know more about affiliate marketing, leave down below, 'cause that's what I do. That's one of my best side hustles. And if you guys want me to try out any of these side hustles, just put it down below. You know, and I'll try them out. You know, I have done it. I done UberLyft. I also done UberEats, Postmates. You know, and here's another bonus one. Instacart. If you guys haven't not done that, Instacart is blowing up right now. A lot of people are making a lot of money with this. And yeah, if you guys want me to do that one, that's a bonus one. You know, a lot of people are that one's blowing up. It's just basically going out to buy groceries for somebody else. You know, it's just like UberEats. You know, it's with groceries. You just purchase and that's it. You know, and I'll test that out if you guys want me to do that too. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, hit that like button. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you could get notified when I post my next video. So yeah, guys, like I said, just comment down below if you guys want me to do any of these side hustles. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.